Looking for an easy way to make fluffy mashed potatoes? The SPEENSUN Potato Ricer is your perfect kitchen tool. Made from heavy-duty stainless steel, it resists stains and corrosion for long-lasting use. Its large capacity and efficient 3mm ricing hole mean you can prepare plenty of creamy mashed potatoes quickly. The comfortable, non-slip handle reduces hand fatigue, making cooking fun and effortless. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and comes with lifetime guarantee. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for the perfect way to make smooth and fluffy mashed potatoes? Meet the Sopito Potato Ricer, crafted from premium food-grade rust-proof stainless steel for durability that lasts for years. Its ergonomic 11.8-inch or 30cm extended handles make squeezing effortless and comfortable. Quickly prepare restaurant-quality mashed potatoes with less effort and no lumps. Plus, it's easy to clean with just warm water and dishwasher safe. Great gift for cooking lovers. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the GEEZY Potato Ricer, the ultimate kitchen tool for smooth and fluffy mashed potatoes every time. Made from durable stainless steel, it effortlessly presses boiled vegetables, fruits, and even baby food, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen arsenal. Its easy-to-clean design and multi-purpose functionality save you time and effort. Experience high-quality texture and convenience like never before. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the OXO Potato Ricer, the perfect tool to create smooth, fluffy mashed potatoes every time. Made with durable stainless steel, this ricer ensures easy mess-free pressing and easy cleaning. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, whether you're preparing classic mashed potatoes, vegetable purees, or baby food. Elevate your cooking with this reliable kitchen companion that delivers restaurant-quality results. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Joseph Helix, the perfect tool for effortless rice making and creating smooth mashed potatoes and vegetable purees. Its unique twisting action simplifies preparation, saving you time and effort. Crafted from durable stainless steel and nylon, it is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Plus, it is free from bisphenol, for your safety. Upgrade your kitchen with the Joseph Helix and enjoy perfectly mashed and pureed dishes every time. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the SPEENSUN Ricer, your versatile kitchen companion for making fluffy mashed potatoes, baby food, and even pasta like spätzle and gnocchi. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it's resistant to stains, corrosion, and deformation. Its comfortable, non-slip handle makes pressing easy, while interchangeable discs give you perfect finesse results every time. Dishwasher safe and simple to clean, this multi-function tool transforms cooking into joy. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the TERRASPRING Ricer, the 6-in-1 complete mashing set designed to make your kitchen life easier. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it easily presses potatoes, carrots, cauliflower, or turnips into perfectly smooth, lump-free mash, safe for preparing baby food and built to last. This versatile set includes a comfortable red handle, peeler, heat gloves, and cleaning tools. Perfect as a thoughtful gift for home cooks. You'll find the purchase in the description and in the pinned comment.